If OpenOffice shows every word you type is misspelled and your spell check dictionary has no words, here's how to fix it in Windows. Quit OpenOffice, go to File Explorer, that's the yellow folder, or you can search for File Explorer in the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Click on the View tab and check the box next to Hidden Items. The tab might disappear, so you can double check by clicking on the View tab again. Click on the Windows C drive, then Users, then click on your computer username. Next, click App Data, then the Roaming folder, then the OpenOffice folder, then the folder that says 4. Rename the folder that says User to user_old or user_anything you'd like. Here's a quicker way to get to the user folder to rename it. In the Windows Explorer address bar, delete the words Quick Access and type or paste this string of code: %appdata%\OpenOffice\4. Then simply rename the user folder that appears. Now close Windows Explorer and reopen OpenOffice. You may be asked to retype your computer username. Then OpenOffice will open. Now correctly spelled words are shown as correct and only misspelled words are flagged. And the spell check dictionary works again.